How to post on Reddit. Want to share your thoughts, memes, or links with the community? Today, I will show you how to create different types of posts on Reddit. It's super simple. Let's get posting. First things first, open Reddit and pick a subreddit. Log into your Reddit account and go to the subreddit where you want to post. At the top of the subreddit page, click the big Create Post button. Now, choose your post type. Reddit lets you post different formats. In text post, write your message or story. In image and video post, upload pictures or videos. In link post, share a web link. And in poll, create a question with multiple choices for users to vote. Pick the tab for the one you want. Now, write and customize. For text, type your title and content. For image or video, upload your files and add a caption. For link, paste the URL and write a title. For poll, add your question and answer options. Make it fun and clear. Once ready, click post at the bottom. Your content will appear in the subreddit for others to see, comment and upvote. And that's how you post anything on Reddit: text, images, link or even polls. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.